Hey everyone, today we've explored the highly anticipated European debut of the Citroën e-C3, an electric vehicle offering an impressive 199-mile range and an attractive starting price of €24,600. In this video, we've meticulously examined the key attributes of this EV, shedding light on its range, pricing, and the impact it might make in the competitive electric car market. The Citroën e-C3 enters the electric vehicle market as a promising option for eco-conscious drivers, boasting a commendable 199-mile range that caters to urban commuting and everyday driving needs. Our review has focused on the e-C3's standout features, highlighting its competitive range and affordability starting at €24,600. This appealing price point positions the e-C3 as an enticing choice for individuals seeking an affordable entry into the world of electric mobility. Citroën's introduction of the e-C3 demonstrates their commitment to offering accessible and eco-friendly mobility solutions. With its combination of an affordable price tag and a respectable range, the e-C3 signifies Citroën's dedication to sustainable transportation options that don't compromise practicality. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.